A car battery powers the engine and electrical systems. Over time, it wears out and needs replacement. Instead of visiting a mechanic, you can save money by doing it yourself. Park your car on a flat surface. Turn off the engine and remove the key. Put on gloves and safety glasses to protect yourself from acid or sparks. Allow engine to fully cool before getting started next. Open the car hood and find the battery. It is usually in a black or grey box with two cables attached. First, remove the negative cable. Use a wrench to loosen the nut and gently pull the cable off to avoid sparks or damage. The positive terminal is usually red and marked with plus sign. Remove the plastic cover if needed, loosen the clamp with a wrench, and take off the cable. Check the bracket holding the battery and remove any connectors. Use a socket wrench if needed. Once loose, lift the battery out and place it on a concrete surface. Check the terminals for powdery buildup in green, blue, grey, or white. Clean them with terminal cleaner or 100 grit sandpaper until shiny. Noco Battery Terminal Cleaner Spray removes corrosion and improves battery performance. It enhances electrical conductivity and extends battery life. The fast-acting formula is easy to use with no scrubbing needed. It also adds a protective coating to prevent future buildup. Place the new battery in the same position as the old one and secure it with the clamp or strap. First, connect the positive cable and tighten the nut. Then, connect the negative cable and tighten it securely. Make sure the connections are tight. Close the hood and start the car. If it starts smoothly, the battery is installed correctly. By following these steps, you can save time and money while keeping your battery in good condition.